Okay students, today we are going to learn the derivative of inverse function. So here I have written some maths, and I'm going to do this sort of maths. I'm not going to do all the maths, but I will make you understand that what's the substitution formula, and we have to substitute here. This place we have to substitute so that our math will be easy. And I have written some basic rules for the inverse function derivative of inverse function, some formulas. So I'm going to start from below. So at first I'm going here for tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 by 1 minus 3x square. So before that I'm going to tell you something, that you must have to be very much good. You must have to be very good in trigonometric function and trigonometric formulas, so that you can recognize what should I have to substitute. So now I'm going to write a formula, that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this formula gives us tan 3 theta. So if we take here x equal to tan theta, so what will be? Then it will be such kind of form we will get, and we can write tan 3 theta here. So our function will be like this: tan inverse. If we write x equal to tan theta, we are taking x equal to tan theta, x equal to tan theta we are taking. So we will get tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, so we can write tan 3 theta. So our this tan will be cancelled and we will get 3 theta. So as our function was in it was y equal to f of x, we have expressed it in terms of x, so we have to go in the form x. So as is theta, we cannot be here, so we have to put it in theta, we have to go in theta. So theta equal to what? Theta equal to tan inverse x, so 3 tan inverse x. Now if we make the derivative of this term, we have simplified our very complex formation into a simplified formation. So now if we derivative of this 3 tan inverse x, we will get the result 3 by 1 plus x square, because tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So now I'm going to do another. So now for tan inverse 1 by 1 minus x root over x square minus 1, so we know a formula in the trigonometry, that is sec square x or theta. I'm right theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, then sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So if we take here x equal to sec theta, so if we take x equal to sec theta, then it will be sec square theta minus 1, and sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So we can write here tan square theta, and square and root it will be cancelled, so we here just only tan theta will be here. Okay, so now if we go for tan theta, then it will be cot theta, but so we can write tan inverse cot theta. So but there is a problem in such case, like if we write cot theta, like we can solve the problem as tan of pi by 2 minus theta, because tan of pi by 2 minus theta gives us cot theta. So the tan and tan will be cancelled. So here theta equal to sec inverse x. So we will put pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. So now if we make the derivative of this, it is a simplified form. So we will get the result 1 by x into root over x square minus 1, and for pi by 2 it will be 0, and a minus sign will be in front of that result. So it will be the answer. So now another form we have to substitute here, as it is tan inverse, so we have to make it tan of something, so that tan will be cancelled. I think you have understood that what should have to do, that here we have to make it tan, here you have to make it tan, here, all the places tan for tan. Okay, so this both the maths are same. I'm going to do one of the maths. So before that I'm going here. So we know a formula that if we take root x equal to tan theta, then we can conclude here 1 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta, and tan pi by 4 equal to what? Tan of pi by 4, or it means that equal to tan 45 degree equal to 1. So we will substitute here tan pi by 4, and here as it is 1 is in 2, so we will write here tan pi by 4, because we need the form, because we have a formula in trigonometry, that is tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So we have made that thing this form, so we can write here it is a, sorry, here plus minus, so minus plus. So if it is here is plus, there will be minus, if it is minus, then there will be plus. It is our formula. So here pi by 4 is a, theta is b, so tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a tan b, so it will be tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So tan inverse it was before that, so tan will be cancelled, so our result is pi by 4 minus theta, but as it is the function was in x format, so we cannot conclude here, so pi by 4 minus theta, so x equal to, we took that root x equal to tan theta, so theta equals to tan inverse root x, so pi by 4 minus tan inverse root x. So we have to now we have to make the derivative of this function, so we have simplified that, so we will get tan pi by 4, if we differentiate it will be 0 and minus will be there, and tan inverse x, and here instead of x we will have to put root x, so 1 by 1 plus root x whole square, so we will get 1 by 1 plus x, so the answer will be minus 1 by 1 plus root x whole square equal to x, so this will be our required answer. So this will be your homework, guys. So if you do it in your home, so let it so make yourself and do comments in my comment box, so that if any problem I can check it, and later on, that is here I can see tan inverse root over 1 minus x 1 plus x. So I have already discussed that we are very much acquainted with our trigonometric function and trigonometric formulas. So here already I am very much acquainted with that, what it will be here, because I have done it a lot of time. So as you are a first comer, so you might face some difficulties. So here what it will be, if we take here, it is tan inverse. So if we take here sine square, and if the form is here cos square, then sine square by cos square equal to tan square, square and root, it will be cancelled. So I have planned such kind. So there is a formula. If we take x equal to cos theta, if we take x equal to cos theta, then 1 minus x equal to 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sine square theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Sine square by cos square equal to tan square theta by 2. As there is root, so it will be only tan theta by 2. I think you all have understood. So it will be tan theta by 2. So tan inverse and tan theta by 2. Tan will be cancelled, so it will be theta by 2, and theta equal to will be cos inverse x equal to theta. So theta equal to half cos inverse x. So if we make the derivative of half cos inverse x, so cos inverse half is a constant, so cos inverse x here minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, so it will be our ultimate answer, half into minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So one thing here I'm going to do that, just think. So here if it is sine and if it is cos whole, then it will be now I'm going to do this math, and here tan inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. So if we take just make a plan, here sine, here cos, so tan. So what we have to take, so if we take x equal to sine theta, then in the upper stage it will be sine theta, and lower part it will be root over 1 minus sine square theta. So it will be sine theta 1 minus sine square equal to cos square. So cos square and root, it will be gone, so cos theta, ultimately it will be tan theta. So now we will put here tan theta, so tan inverse tan theta, so tan will be cancelled, as we have taken x equal to sine theta, so theta equal to sine inverse x, so theta equal to sine inverse x. So now we have simplified, our math. So if we now differentiate of sine inverse x, we will get our answer. So I have already write that sine inverse x equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Now I am going to show you the two maths. That is, there is a formula that tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus 1 minus tan square theta. So here we have to make this in such a form. So if we take 2, I'm doing this math, and this you might do in as homework, and these are very much similar. So we are taking 2 into 3 root x divided by 1 minus 3 root x whole square. So 1 minus 3 root x whole square equal to 3 equals to 9, root x square equal to x. So our formation is correct. So if we take 3 root x equal to tan theta, 3 root x equal to tan theta, so we can make a conclusion here that tan inverse 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta, so it will be tan twice theta. So tan will be cancelled, so it will be 2 theta. So as we have taken 3 root x equal to tan theta, so we are getting 2 theta. So theta equal to tan inverse 3 root x. So now we have simplified our math. So our function is now y equal to 2 tan inverse 3 root x. So now if we differentiate of that, it will be dy by dx equal to 2 by 1 plus 3 root x whole square. So here we can see tan inverse x equal to, instead of x here it is 3 root x, so here 3 root x whole square equal to 3x, 9x ultimately. So it will be our answer ultimately. So now I'm going for next maths. And here now come here, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, you might make yourself wrong. Why? Because here, as previously just I have done, here it was minus, but it is plus. So there is another formula, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula. So one thing I want to tell you guys, that you might think that it is very much tough. Actually it is very easy, because just you have to know the formulas in trigonometry, so it will be easier. So just as you are a newcomer, so you might feel that it is very difficult, but as it is very sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So we can take x equal to tan theta, x equal to tan theta, then we can write sin inverse. So one thing you should have to know, that remind that that we have to make here sin theta, so that sin and sin inverse will be cancelled. So sin, so 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, it will be sin inverse sin twice theta. So sin will be cancelled, so 2 theta, as we have taken that x equal to tan theta, so theta equal to tan inverse x. So it will be 2 tan inverse x. So we have simplified our sum. So y equal to 2 tan inverse x, if we make the derivative, it will be 2 by 1 plus x square, 2 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. So this will be our answer. One thing I want to say, it might be in your mind that why I'm doing lots of math. Okay, because you might have seen that the teachers are doing 2 or 3 maths, blah blah blah, but I'm doing lots of math, because why we have to do a lot of maths, I'm doing that. Why I have to do 3 or 4 maths, I'm doing that. Because if you don't know the substitution, it will be some sort of it might create difficulties for you in the future. So I'm doing a lot of and numerous sorts of math that you have. I'm just showing you what sorts of substitution you are in need of. Okay, so I'm going to the next question, that is sec inverse 1 plus x square and 1 by x square. So if we go for that cot inverse x, we might write tan inverse 1 by x. So here you see x, it is changed in 1 by x. The cot inverse and tan inverse are reciprocal of each other. So here x is reciprocal by 1 by x. So now sec will be reciprocal by cos. Okay, so now we are doing the reciprocal system. So it is y equal to sec inverse something. So we might write cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. So now we have to make here cos something so that we can make cos and cos cancelled. So if we take, there is a relation in trigonometry, 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta. So we can take x equal to tan theta. So we are taking x equal to tan theta. So we can write cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. So cos inverse cos 2 theta. So cos will be cancelled. It will be 2 theta. As we have taken x equal to tan theta, so theta equal to tan inverse x. So we will write 2 tan inverse x. So our math is simplified. So just differentiate it and you will get the answer. So now I'm going to make you learn the other maths, and it is as very much similar as previous, so I'm not doing that. Just 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. Here you will take just go check in your home, you will must have to take root x equal to tan theta, then the math will be solved. Okay, so now sec inverse x whole square. So I'm doing that, y equal to sec inverse x whole square. So what should I have to do? We have to write ddx now something to the square. We have already encountered that x to the power n. Here n is a number, any source of number, and x is the variable. So here is the variable to the power n, variable to the power n. So we have to make the formula for x to the power n. So it will be 2 sec inverse x cos x square equal to ddx of x square equal to 2x. So we have written 2 sec inverse x. Now as it is not x, so we have to differentiate again. So ddx sec inverse x. So this thing will come here, and ddx of sec inverse x equal to 1 by x into root over x minus 1. So by whole thing it will be our answer, 2 sec inverse x 1 by x into root over x square minus 1. So it will be our answer ultimately. I'm just going to the next question. So now it is very much similar as here it is in the question, so I'm not doing that. And the 3 sin inverse x, it is just similar as previous, here it is written, so I'm not doing that. So tan x sin inverse x, as they are in the form of multiplication u and v. So our function is y equal to tan x and the sin inverse x. So if we do dy dx equal to, if we go for tan x, then sin inverse x will be constant. So ddx of, I'm not going to hold math, and if we take then for tan inverse x, sin inverse x, now for tan x it will be sec square x, and sin inverse x here it is written. So if you write that, you will get your answer. So here instead of x, here it is 1 minus 2x. Just put it here, it will be your answer. But one thing in mind, that the thing is for x, but we have 1 minus 2x, so we have to make the derivative of 1 minus 2x also. So now our last math, y equal to sine root x. Okay, just I'm checking that okay, sec inverse x and tan x sin inverse x, sine root x. Okay, sine inverse, sorry, here it will be inverse. Okay, so we are going to do it directly as sine inverse something. So if we make the derivative dy dx, it will gives us the answer d dx of sine inverse sine root x. So as it is sine inverse, so we know the answer, formula 1 by root over 1 minus root x whole square. But as it is not x, we have to differentiate again. So d dx of sine root x. So 1 by, so what we will get, sine square root x. So 1 minus sine square root x. So 1 minus sine square something equal to cos square. So we will write here cos square and root, so it will be cos root x, and d dx of sine root x equal to cos root x. But it is not x, so we have to differentiate again. So d dx of root x, so it will come again 1 by cos equal to sec root x, and okay, fine, we might cancel it. So root x equal to, we will use the formula of x to the power n. So half x to the power half minus 1 equal to half x to the power minus half equal to 1 by 2 root x. So this is our required answer. Okay students, a lot of time have taken from you. I hope that all you have understood the inverse function and the derivative of inverse, and so do share and subscribe my channel Mathstein, and if you feel something difficulties, then comment in the comment box and let me know that, and what sort of video you are requiring. I will do that. So be healthy. Thank you.